Right, there goes 175108 on the 0950 Transport for Wales service to Holyhead. That is an additional service that started here at Cheshire. Right, there goes 197021, which is going to be on the 0952 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Airport from Llandudno. Right, there goes 197047 on the 0954 Transport for Wales service to Crewe. They've took the other set off now, it's just 047 now. Oh, and here comes 158824 going to Holyhead. There goes 156466 on the 0956 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport. There's always one person that likes to get in the shot, and I'm not talking about the dispatcher. Talk about some lady but lucky managed to avoid getting on the shot. Right, terminating here at Chester off of Leeds is going to be a sexy 195. (195-121). Right, there goes the 1020 Transport for Wales service to Liverpool Central via Shrewsbury and Hereford from Holyhead. 197012. Connected to 197015. Right, incoming is the 1032 Avanti West Coast service to Crewe from Holyhead. 22115. Rightio, about to go is going to be 197013. On the 1028 Transport for Wales service to Llandudno from Crewe. Off she goes. 197012. Rightio, terminating in off of Manchester Piccadilly is going to be a northern service. It's going to be a pair of 156s. 156 406 is on the front. Oh no, it's not a pair of 156s, there's a 150 on the back of it. 150 127s on the back. I'll have to try and get a picture of the 150 once this Transport for Wales has gone to Liverpool. Right, there goes 197, 110 on the 1043. Transport for Wales service to Liverpool Lime Street via Runcorn. Unfortunately, this is going to be the only Liverpool service we actually see here at Chester today. There's going to be no Merseyrail, unfortunately, because there's flooding in Hooton. So they sent all the Merseyrail passengers on that GFW set, so it's packed. And here comes the 197 set terminating enough of crew. They keep swapping and changing the crew to Chester shuttle. Now this one's worked with 197047 because before it was doubled up. And also, for some reason, I put that one on the over there because I think the one on the right hand side of the screen is going to crew. I think they're doing another set swap. There goes 175 102 on the 1052. Transport for Wales service to Manchester Airport from Cundudno. Well, there goes 197044 and 197017 on the 1110 1110 1055 Transport for Wales service to Holyhead from Manchester Airport. Right, there goes the 1113 Avanti West Coast service to Holyhead from Crewe. It is 22118 on the front set. I can't believe they put a 10 car on the North Wales coastline. It is connected to 22114 on the rear. Excuse me. Right, coming in here at Chester Station to reverse and go back out of the other way is going to be the 1124 Transport for Wales service to Holyhead from Birmingham International, going via Cundudno Junction. We've got a pair of 153s followed by a 158. Interesting combo. 153 368. Can't tell what the other one is. But the 158 is 158834. If I can find the other number, I'll put it on the screen. If not, my apologies. There goes 195017 on the 1128. Northern service to Leeds via Manchester Victoria and Bradford Interchange. It is connected to Sexy 195011. Right, gate goes 197010. On the 1136, Transport for Wales service to Birmingham International via Shrewsbury. 197010 and 197007 is on the rear. And that will be the last train I should film here. Again, apologies for no Merseyrail. Apparently they're starting back up this afternoon, so I might get a bonus shot of one, but none of the trains at Chester, unfortunately.